Do you know how to analyze data on a linear graph? Let's take a look at an example. Here's a graph that shows the fees for the yellow cab versus the fees for the blue cab. Notice that we are comparing the total cost, which is here in our vertical axis, with the number of miles traveled, which is in our horizontal axis. Can you use this graph to figure out how much it would cost if a person went 4 miles? What would it cost to take the yellow cab? What would it cost to take the blue cab? Let's take a look. First, notice that we're going to work with 4 miles, which is down here in the horizontal axis. Now, let's draw a straight line up. If you notice, when we hit the blue cab, we're at about $8.50. So we can say blue equals $8.50. What about yellow? Keep going on the yellow, and you can see that on the yellow it would be $9. So the yellow cab would cost $9 to go 4 miles. What about 10 miles? How much would it cost on the blue cab to go 10 miles? Alright, well first we know it's going to be 10 miles here. So we're going to trace that line all the way up to here and go all the way across to $14. So to take the blue cab 10 miles would be $14. Here's the graph again. Let's look at the yellow cab. How much would it cost to go 2 miles on the yellow cab? Alright, well if we go from 2 miles up to here, you can see that the yellow cab would cost $5 to go 2 miles. How much would it cost to go 2 miles in the blue cab? Well, we start at the 2, we go all the way up here to the blue cab. The blue cab would cost $7 to go 2 miles. How much would it cost to go $5 on the yellow cab? Let's take 5 miles, go all the way up to the yellow cab, and go across. You can see it would be $11. How much would it cost to go 5 miles in the blue cab? Well, if we go back to the 5, but this time we're only going to go up to where it meets the blue line and go across, it's about $9.50. Let's look at one more. How much would it cost to go 8 miles on the blue cab and the yellow cab? Let's do the yellow cab first. We go up from 8 miles, go all the way up to here, and we go across. You can see it would cost $17. On the blue cab, we would go up to here and go across, and it would cost $12. As you look at these numbers, you can see that it would cost less money to use the blue cab than it would to use the yellow cab. This is a way that we can analyze a linear graph and draw conclusions about the data.